What instantly ages someone? Stress hormones. I'm in my 40s, but I look around 10 years younger. Combination of no kids, so plenty of sleep, no vices, religious sun protection, hats, sunglasses, sunscreen, and genetic luck, I suppose. I went through a terrible thing a few years ago, suffering PTSD and grief. One day I woke up and looked haggard and older than my years. I was losing sleep, not eating, and struggling with my day-to-day. It was insane how aged I looked almost overnight. I looked older than my years, but I got back into sleeping, eating right, taking care of my skin, and doing self-care. It's definitely reversible, but it takes work.